Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive weekly icon settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you're scrolling down until you find this window of Relive app and you will enter. In this page of our Relive app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking